think the outcome of this airshow 2012 has been, it's exceeded our expectations. It's been an amazing event. The amount of people who have attended, the caliber of companies who have attended, the level of sales and the amount of sales that took place in the show, the amount of people who enjoyed themselves. It was an amazing event.
It's been remarkably good, actually. It's been not about orders as we expected at the very beginning of this show. It's been about business, and there's been a lot of that done. And particularly, I was impressed with the Bahrain Civil Aviation Authority and the UAE Civil Aviation Authority, who have come together in the first stage of cooperation to create joint aviation thinking in the Gulf. That is important milestone news, actually, from this show.
It feels great to be back in Bahrain in the first instance, but at the air show. 2 years ago was our first air show here in Bahrain, and we were proud to be a part of it then, and we're proud to be back with the Bahrain Air Show in 2012. Bahrain has been a great friend and ally of the United States, the United Kingdom, and our partners and allies all over the world for a long, long time. I would say that we as a company have tremendous confidence in Bahrain, and we look forward to a very, very bright future with Bahrain.
Just the presence of all the industry players here, I think it shows that the industry has a lot of confidence in the region and in Bahrain.
We're very proud to be associated with it. Following the success of the 2010 air show, I think this year is going to be even more successful, and we're very proud to be associated with the air show.
As a team, UAE National Aerobatic Teams, we are honored to be actually in the Kingdom of Al Bahrain. It shows the closer relationship between the two countries or two governments and two air forces, and we are very glad and honored to be here. Our first deployments outside the UAE, first show outside the UAE in the Kingdom of Bahrain.
So we had one Sukhoi in the first show, and in this show we have 4. And normally these teams, especially this Sukhoi team, is one of the best, of course, in the world. And it's very difficult to get hold of to participate in an air show. So it shows how Bahrain been successful in putting the show together.
Я думаю, что каждый летчик, выступающий на авиасалонах, он пришел в авиацию по призванию. И думаю, что каждый пилотирующий здесь свой самолет, он, прежде всего, чувство удовлетворения испытывает.
We've already signed for 2014. People came up to us and said, we love the venue, we want to come back, we're already committed to the show in 2 years, and it's very proud for the international show in Bahrain. Having a show of this magnitude, with this level of exhibitors, with this amount of people attending, in the economic situations that the world is facing, for us as Bahrain, is amazing.